Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, Tech It Simple, is on how to log into your Amazon credit card account. So, follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press on the bell icon for more updates. So, let's get into the video. First thing you need to do is open your web browser and search for Amazon. SF.com. It will take you to the official website of Amazon, from where you guys can log into your Amazon credit card account. Once you are here, enter the user ID and password of your account. Once you do that, click on Secure Login. After that, you should be able to log into your Amazon credit card account. And if you guys forgot your user ID or password, you guys can reset it by clicking on I forgot my user ID or password over here. If you guys want to apply for a credit card, you can click on Apply over there. And if you want to create a new account, you can click on Register. So, that's all for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, like the video and comment down your thoughts. See you guys in the next video.